Hi, good day everybody. Okay, here we got a new project. What are we going to call this one? We call it a circular noise ripple. Okay, circular noise ripple. Sounds nice. Okay, it's practically it's based on the same principle of the simplex noise wave. Okay, and obviously the same type of code but just slightly different, and you can see how it works as I'm talking, and you can also adjust it to make it smaller or bigger. So let me see here. Okay, let's see. There we are. This can be small, soft, a little bit bigger. Sorry, there it's a ripple which works. There we are. Okay, so I had it actually very nice earlier on. Probably like this should work better. You can see when I talk it goes like actually look very nice. I might have to add more color to the make them more bright. It's a bit faded, but yeah, this looks very nice. I like it. Okay, so let's go to the code. Code has the same principle. It has a simplex noise, which is like the previous one, and we just change this one here at the bottom where it says, let me see, okay, here it is. We change this one only practically from here, so, and that's the way we use it. Okay, so remember that the simplex noise, if you want to, obviously have to, because when you're going to copy and paste the simplex noise on the system, you will have to use this system here and new tab. Okay, and that's the way it works. You put the name of simplex noise.h. I've explained this in the previous video, so it's a little bit. I think I've posted the simplex noise. I'm not so sure. In some, I might have forgot to post it on GitHub, but I will check. If I forgot and it won't work, I must double check on that. Sometimes I do things too quick. Okay, so there we are. This is the way it works, and yeah, there's not much to explain here, but it looks cool. Okay, guys, please thumbs up if you like it. Thank you. Have a good day. Ciao.